Hi, and welcome to this week's PDQ PD. For those of you that have just started on Chromebooks this year, there's a lot of things on the Chromebook that you may not know, and a lot of things that you may want to know but don't have the time to get a hold of somebody when you have the question. So I'm going to show you a little known app that's on here that doesn't get a lot of use, but it can be a real lifesaver when you need it. You can see here I am on the screen, the main screen of my Chromebook. And down here in the little bottom shelf, there are a number of app icons here, and you may not have all of these, but what you will have over on the far left is a little circle. And if you click on this circle, it's called the launcher. And what that does is it opens up your app window here. Now, somewhere on this first page of the app window, you will see this icon that says all apps, but the one we're looking for is this question mark that says get help. If you don't see it on the first page, click the all apps and it will show all of your apps, and you can scroll from page to page and find where it is. But in this case, it's on the first page. It's a green box in my case. It may or may not be the same color on yours with a question mark, and it's called get help. So I'm going to click on this, and this is built in to your Google Chrome, and you can see along the left-hand side here, there are a number of options you have, and I'm not going to go through all of these today, but I am going to show you a few of them. If you have a specific thing that you want to search, you can type in the search term up here, and it will take you to whatever kind of information is there on it. But I'm going to start with, you probably already know the Getting Started and the Getting Online because that's pretty much built into the Chromebook. But let's start with the Personalization. When you click on that menu item, you see it's going to give you some walkthroughs on how to change your background paper, themes, account settings, and that sort of thing. So those are things that you can play with on your own time and see how you want to customize your Chromebook. The next one is I'm going to show you under Photos. And this is will be particularly interesting for those of you that are going to use this in class. There are a lot of times when you want to take a snapshot of something from your Chromebook, and this tells you how to do that. It's not really necessarily an intuitive way to do it, but this will tell you how. When you click on this, it tells you how to get to the app for the camera, and you can take pictures. This is particularly useful when you're trying to show evidence of learning. If you've made something or if you've completed something and you want to take a picture of yourself with it, this is the way to do that. The next one, and this is probably the biggest one, is under the Fix a Problem with the little wrench. And you can see here, as you scroll down, there are a number of options here. Update your Chromebook, fix problems, fix connection problems, all of these things that a lot of times you'll want to send an email to somebody and find out how to do that. You can go to this Fix a Problem, find out yourself, and save yourself a ton of time. And then finally, if all hope is lost and you need to contact support, you can click here, but they kind of give you a last-ditch effort before you get to actually contact support. They give you some Chromebook problem-solving walkthroughs here, and it's pretty much the same thing that was on the page before, but it kind of gives you that last chance. Are any of these your problem? And you can click on here and get some walkthroughs. And then finally, if you really need some specific help, you would need to go over here and find your model of Chromebook, and then contact the link here or call that phone number, and hopefully they can give you some help. So this is the Help app. It's already built into your Chromebook. It should be pretty easy for you to find and use, and hopefully this will save you some time whenever you have issues, and it'll keep you up and running a lot quicker and a lot more consistently. As always, I hope this was helpful, and have a great week.